Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, guys? Just picked up a new Zippo. It's the solid brass Zippo. It was new. I opened it, and it is beautiful. All solid brass. I've been wanting this thing forever. So just happened to be made in of 2010. Yep, that's my battery saying I'm gonna die. Solid brass is beautiful. So I picked that up, and I think I'm gonna make this a multi-purpose video. I'm also going to do the review of the 1935 replica Zippo lighter. This one happens to be made in of 2010 also. Let's shoot this off to the side here. So, I do have some good things and some things I do not like. The good things are, it's got that very box look. It's got the outside hinge so it opens all the way up. Oh, lights. It should. I just love it. It's good in your pocket and everything. Although there are some complaints, a little bit. You know, just because the outside hinge, it does wear right in the crease over here where it closes. And I ain't got nothing to say really. It is starting to, hinge is starting to get a little bit loose. That's pretty much what all Zippos do after you use them for a while. And insert. I've had to squeeze this case here a couple of times to make the insert stay in there. And here's another also downer here. You can't put this insert in any other case. Like I can't put this insert in that Eat, Ride, Sleep right there. Which I really do not like that. I wish they'd make them interchangeable. But that's okay. So, if you would, write me a video response if you have any one of these that you would like to share and show me. Or just a new Zippo you picked up. So, alright. Oh, forgot to mention, after this review, I am going to be switching over from this 1935 replica to this Eat, Ride, Sleep Zippo. This one has happened to be made in G of 04. It doesn't have the original insert in it, but Saturday's going to be the first day I carry this one and use it. And then I'll hopefully have a video up on this one too. So I'll have a video review of it. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.